Hello everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Tween service in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to create a part that we're going to tween. Now just so you know, it works with any instance, so you can use any single part, object, UI, or whatever you want, and you can tween any instance as long as as long as it's in the game. Or even not, but it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So what we're going to do is we created a part. We're just going to edit it and make it blue so we can see it. And I'm going to show you guys how to use Tween service to move this and like correctly, smoothly move things or smoothly change properties. So it's pretty cool. We're going to add a script. And what we're going to do is define tween service. So local tween service equals game get service tween service. And then we can create a tween. So local tween equals tween service create. And now what we got to do for this is we put the part. So hold on. Local part equals script.parent. So the object you want to tween goes first. So we'll put that right here. Then next, you want to do tweeninfo.new tweeninfo.new. And what this does is it defines all like the stuff that you're going to use. So how long you want it to take to tween, we'll do 3 seconds. Easing style, I'll do enum.easingstyle.linear. Linear just means completely straightforward, no stopping or nothing, just completely straight. And then easing direction. Same with this, we're going to, easing direction, here it is. We're going to use in because in just means completely towards the direction you're facing or the direction you wanted to go. But if you do out, then it kind of like, well, it just depends whatever easing style you use. They're both the same when it comes to linear, but I'm going to use in. And then the repeat count, if you want it to keep repeating no matter what, and just every time the tween finishes, repeat, equals part.position times or plus position, or actually plus vector3.new 0 10 0. So we'll go up 10 and then we'll see what happens. So tween play. And now if we just go ahead and press play, we can see what goes on. And right here, Boolean. For reverse, okay, yeah, I got this one wrong. So I'm gonna put that at true instead of false, or instead of -1. Just put on true or false. And here we go. As you can see, it goes up and down. It's pretty cool. If you're using tweens though, I recommend that you anchor it, or else it's gonna be pretty buggy. So make sure I anchor that. And there we go. So it goes down, crushes us, goes back up. And if we change the styles of this, like we could do quad, this one's cool. And press play. We go over here. It's kind of like it goes slow and then faster. So it's pretty cool. And when it's going down, it kind of just like slows down at the end. It's a really cool style. There's other styles too that you can use, like let's see here. There's court. Sign. This is a good one. Back. Bounce. Oh, here's a good one. Bounce. What this does is it just bounces at the end, kind of. It's cool. Like that. That's awesome. Whee! This is honestly the best animation. Whee! This is fun to play with, but yeah, that's basically tweens. You can do with any property, it doesn't matter. So if I wanted to change the size, we'll do both. So I can show you that you can do 2 at once. Size equals part.size. Also, if you want it to be a specific size, then you can do just that. Like you can put vector3.new, but just for the sake of the video and for the sake of it being universally like downloadable, I'm going to do it like how I'm doing it right now. And we'll do plus vector3.new 555, or actually 6. Well, no, I don't want to do that. You know why. Alright, so if we go right here, that's cool. And it like expands at the end. Ah! And we go up. Whoa. Alright. What if we did this like 20, 20, 20? And then put this one up by 20. Then it's gonna go way higher and way bigger. Here we go. That's cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you one last property that's cool. You can also do like colors. So color equals part.color, or actually what you could do is color.random. So color3 dot, or actually brick color.random is better. Alright, so we can check it out. Oh, property is a color 3. Okay. Oh, actually, we'll do brick color. Because brick color.new random. Part, an object. Part is a data, not a data type. Okay, we'll do color. So color, part.color. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Color is equal to color3.fromRGB, and we'll do math.random 0 to 55, and then just copy that a bunch of times. Okay, and we press play. And I think it goes to the same color every time. Yeah, it does. That's because every time you play, the tween will get reinstantiated, but you know, just for this, it's pretty cool. So every time you press play, it's a different color. That's awesome. And you go back to the ground. That's cool. And this can be used for elevators, animations, anything you want. It's one of my favorite services, and I thought it was pretty complicated at first, but it's actually really easy because you can literally, you don't have to make a bunch of variables, just make it in the create itself, and it's way easier. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you want to download this project or if you download this part, it'll be in the description. I have a Discord server, which I don't think a lot of you guys know, so if you want to join that for help and more, check the description. And also, if you want to join my Roblox group to see some of my games, then it'll be in the description also. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.